Look at my face. Hi. Whoa. Wow. Hi everyone. If you don't know me, I'm Julie. Today I'm gonna open a lovely toy. Barbie color reveal. In one of those packs, you can find one of these 5 Barbies. This one is the lovely blue and purple hair. This one with the lovely white and pink hair. Pink is my favorite color. She has like green hair and really dark blue color hair. This is my absolute favorite. She has yellow, purple, pink and a bit red hair. She is the last one. She has orange hair and yellow hair. There's a sponge. You need to dip it in water. Remember, it needs to be cold water so then lipstick and makeup can go on. If you want to take the makeup off, you need to put hot water. Then it has shoes. Who knows which shoes will come out? Hair and clothes. So you won't need any bowl to put the water in because inside there's an actual cylinder to dip the Barbie inside. And now let's open it, but it's a bit hard. Oh, look, here it says, dip this off. Whoa. Can you see that? Nice. Whoa. You open it from the orange lid and you'll need to unscrew it. The Barbie is so cute. Here's the Barbie. These are the instructions to do it. So, this is the box. Then you have this type of bottle. It's like a cylinder. Then you have the Barbie. We have packages. Then we dip the Barbie in the water. Like here there's water that's hot. Then the Barbie comes out all dressed up. Then you have some packages. Whoa. What in the world? What is this? Oh, in here there are all the Barbies that we can find. Find your favorite. My favorite is... These are Barbie, this is Barbie Chelsea, and these are the pets. My favorite one of this one is her. Because she has pink hair. Let's see if we can find this one in my box. I hope so. She is flexible. So guys, now I put the whole water. It's so filled and it is warm water. Look at my face. Hi. Now, Barbie, now it's time for your shower. Let's go inside. Ah! I want to move. I'm not sure if I have to shake it. She's moving. I think it's blue. Wow. Can you still see me? Oh no, here's something. I think nothing's happened. You can start to see her feet. Do I have to shake her?
Try.
Oops. Yeah, shaking is... You can start to see her face. Shaky, shaky, shaky. Shall we open it? Barbie, come out. Bath time is over. Whoa. At the water, it looks like the ocean. Wow. I'm gonna wipe her. I'm drying my Barbie a little bit. Look how nice she is. She has short hair because then the wig is gonna come. Have this yellow swimsuit with pink, purple, palm trees. this must be the sponge. Oh, open. As I wanted it. Look how nice the sponge is. It's a cloud shape. Before we do her makeup, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Danny and Julie Wonderland. Now we need to open the other packages. This one, you open it from this line, I think. Oh yeah, some shoes. Look at these lovely pink high heels shoes. Yeah, so adorable. A lovely skirt. Wait, does this mean I got my favorite one? Let's see on the... Whoa, I got her. Yay, she's my second favorite. Let's put this lovely skirt here. Now I want to open this one. That is her wig, I think. Yes, it's a wig. Now it's time to put the accessories. So first, her lovely skirt. From her feet to her body. Oh, this is a beautiful outfit, Barbie. Oh, thank you. Now it's time for her wig that is a bit hard inside. I never saw a Barbie with a wig. Let's see. It should go. Look how nice. Now we're going to put these on. What if they're not her size? I think they are her size. Let's put on this. Now I need to use some cold water to reveal her makeup. You can use the lid. So I'm going. The cold water is ready. Do I need to put a lot or a bit? I think a bit. Perfect. So guys, I present you the best Barbie of all. Hello! I love her dress and her high heels. I think I know which are her favorite colors. I think it's orange, yellow, purple and pink. Because she's all dressed as these colors. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel,